Hello everyone, I'm Ivan, and today we'll address common issues in our indispensable companion smartphones. Have you ever encountered issues like low battery, slow charging, or decreased performance with them? The solution may seem simple, just replace the battery. Here's the key insight: whether or not you change the entire battery, simply replacing the battery cells can eliminate the non-original battery pop-up notifications. Today, I'll demonstrate the step-by-step process of transplanting battery cells. Open the external packaging. Cut the connection between the cable and the battery cell. Remove the cable. Straighten the metal pieces. Align the original cable with the metal pieces. Cut off excess metal pieces. Use a spot welding machine for connection. Apply heat-resistant glue to the new battery cables. Place a heat-resistant casing over the cables. Secure with black heat-resistant glue. Attach the external repair cable to the new battery. Power on and check for any system notifications. If everything is in order, apply the battery adhesive and complete the smartphone installation. This is a simple and cost-effective way to refresh your smartphone's battery. Did you get it? If you found this video helpful, please like and share. Subscribe for more repair knowledge. See you next time.